So here I just had to buy this Hart. Gotta change the rear brakes on my van in the middle of a hotel. I decided to buy this Hart small little kit to be able to take the caliper pads off. So just giving a quick little review of it. 20% more efficient, 90-tooth ratchet, 4-arc swing, 6-point socket set. That's why I like it. Less likely to strip out the bolt. You can see there, it's got metric and English, quite a lot set. I think I bought it for about $27. I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna whack it probably with a dead blow, see if it holds up. Cheap set. The carrying case is quite nice. Wouldn't normally do this, but I'm in a parking lot and this is a cheap ratchet and I want to see how it's going to hold up, so I'm going to whack it with a dead blow to get this 17mm bolt out. That worked really well. Still sounds really good. Here's the second one. So, cheap set, getting the job done, seems pretty quality. Not sure about the longevity, but it can handle a dead blow hit. Still sound really good. We didn't break the socket or anything. So you're looking for a portable carry to stick in your car, might be a decent set for you. One more thing I liked about this set is you can shut it this way, which seems contrary to what you normally would be able to do, but all the sockets stay in place. So it made it through the brake job. Seems like a decent little set. It's pretty much gonna go right in my van, in this cubby. Stay there until I need it again.